In emergency care, every second counts. Communication breakdowns between paramedics and ER often hamper timely updates on the patient's condition. Minimal or no sharing of vital data leaves the paramedics to make critical decisions on their own without any help from the ER. Due to no visibility on when the patient is coming, the ER is not prepared and hence leading to delayed treatment. These pain points mean loss of time and in some cases loss of lives. Introducing Salus EMS by Red Health, a secured integrated platform for medical emergency response. Salus EMS ensures real-time collaboration between paramedics, ER doctors, and hospital staff from the moment an emergency occurs. With ambulance tracking, real-time alerts, and instant notifications, the ER team can anticipate the patient's condition and prepare for the arrival well in advance. Doctors and hospitals can monitor the patient vitals in real time. Real-time communication enables paramedics to consult doctors during transport, ensuring that life-saving decisions can be made en route. Smart alerts within Salus EMS provide rapid notifications for critical updates, allowing prompt intervention and swift action. AI-powered assistant streamlines note-taking and vital sharing. Automated documentation simplifies the process of recording vital signs and events. Salus EMS logs all critical information directly into the Electronic Patient Care Report (EPCR), ensuring comprehensive and accurate records. An intuitive dashboard makes it easy for emergency teams and hospitals to be in sync. From real-time communication to fully prepared ER teams, Salus EMS ensures every second is used to save lives. Revolutionize your emergency care with Red Health's Salus EMS, the future of seamless coordination in emergencies.